Hello my people, these 6 things I want teach you now for chemistry. If you be science student and you dey do chemistry, you need to pay attention. The fifth one I sure say never hear am before, and it go change your life, and it go make you no fail exams anytime you see small things like this. E dey under changes of state. Now with energy now dey mean no. Now you don hear say matter can change from one state to another. I mean matter, this matter one I dey hear say anything that has mass and occupies space. This matter can change from one state to another by heating or cooling. Either you heat something or when the thing dey cool. May I tell you wetin e mean. Number one, I tell you say na 6, now I go tell you, but this part, the fifth one I should never hear am before. When something dey change from solid to liquid, e get name wey dem dey call am o. Put am for comment section if you don't know the name. If you don't know, no worry, na why I come to teach you. When something change from solid to liquid, then they call am wetin? Melting. Ma give example. Talk now. Ma give example. Just ice block. Carry ice block comot inside fridge. If you carry am comot inside, just you no need even put am under sun sef. Just carry am keep for top table. Wetin go happen? E go melt to wetin? Water. Now e go change from this ice to water. So you know say ice na solid. Anything wey strong na solid be that. When e melt become liquid, na im be the example wey I give you. Then they call am melting. That process they call am melting for physics. You understand? I tell you say the fifth one never hear am before. Just dey watch this video. Make sure say you share and save am because it go help you. The second one na liquid. After you talk about solid and talk liquid, you go know the one I go call next, but make we no just rush am. From liquid to solid, wetin they call that one? I think I just teach you now say solid to liquid, they call am melting. What if you change from liquid to solid? Something wey water suddenly become strong from water to ice block. Wetin they call that one? Na freezing. You try. Some of una mention am freezing. You try. If you call freezing, you try. If you no sabi am, like this video because you don learn something now. So example na water to wetin? Ice. When you put water, normal water inside fridge, why it is say mineral wey dey inside bottle dey block? Why it is say water wey dey inside bottle water dey block? Why it is say pure water wey dey put for fridge dey block? When you change from that normal water to solid, they call am wetin? Freezing. You don learn that one abi? Remember say fifth one go shock you. Now the next one na liquid to gas. E shock you? You no know say something fit change from liquid straight to gas. From liquid straight to gas. Wetin they call this one? Na few people go know the one. Put am for comment section. Wetin be the name? E correct. Evaporation. Now evaporation. You remember when you dey boil water? Why e be say that water very soon when you leave am wey e boil so tey before you go check the water wey you wan carry do garri no come plenty again. How na wetin happen? Dem fly. Na evaporation wey happen. And this thing dey happen during when you dey boil something, during boiling. You remember abi? Na wetin dey happen for your house I dey tell you now. So the evaporation now dey mean say e go change water go change to steam. Water go change to wetin? Steam. You don learn this one abi? Make I knock you another one. Number 4, gas. You sure say gas? You don hear say gas go change to liquid? Wetin be the name of this one? For gas to change to liquid, na this one they call condensation. Some of una just dey hear this one for the first time. Like this video now and share now. If you never follow me because things doing zero. This thing now wey dey learn like this, e no go make you fail exam if you see am for exam. E go shock you say plenty people no know am. So condensation na im dey call this one. Now make I dey break am down like this. For example, water vapor to droplet. Water vapor to drop. Write these things down now. Yeah, they write something for you. They look me now. Film we they come watch. Yeah, now it tire me for you. So the next one now solid to gas. This one be like even shock yourself. Say solid something way strong. If they change to gas, yes now the process now this one I say will shock you. The name when they call this one, put them for comment section. Man, see they try. You try. Some people know even now. They call it sublimation. Sublimation. I know why I begin to teach you this one. Not be every time where I go just do hard things. Sometimes this one too. Now some of the hard things, but make them the way it go sweet you. For example, dry ice to carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide, or carbon dioxide will be gas. Dry ice, you will fit change to this particular gas. If you give me another example, put them for comment section. Give me another example for condensation. Put them for or explain and the way you feel everybody feel enjoy am with you. The next one will be the last one I want to tell you. I tell you say na 6 now. Gas to solid. I don't do this one. I'm not sure say I don't do this one. gas to solid. Again, when they call this one, if you sabi this one, let me say you will carry first for next time. If something change from gas we know to solid, then they call them deposition. 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 Me, I know say plenty people love this particular video and he learn well. For example, when you get frost on window, frost on windows, na wetin they call deposition be that. Now make I decide say for this particular video, I will just tell you straight to the point and then come out. Now you now can like the video, save and share the video, or follow me, or just stay active. They learn from me every month from my Telegram platform. As you don't they learn like that. God will bless you. Me, I don't come do my own work. I don't they go. Take care, yeah. Pass your exam well, oh yeah, now. Bye.